Hey, it's Julie, and I'm gonna share one of my favorite healthy cooking hacks with you. It's actually a piece of gotta-have cooking gear that I consider mandatory in my kitchen. It's called an Immersion Blender. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but what you're gonna do is basically bring your blender to your bowl. It makes it so much easier to puree things. Like, let's say you're making a vegetable-based soup that you want with like a really delicious thickness to it. This is all you need to do. So check that out. If you've cooked a bunch of vegetables in your soup or you have beans, you can puree it to whatever thickness you want and get the texture you want. It's such a great way to get more richness out of a dish that's been made really light. Or I have another really excellent trick for you. If you like to make veggie-based dips or bean-based dips, which why wouldn't you, because they're super light and healthy, this guy does an awesome job on things like roasted peppers. Check it out. You add a little spices to that, a little bit of garlic, and you've basically got a really excellent roasted pepper dip, just like that. Finally, I've got to tell you, this is one of my absolute favorite things about these. The top comes off, and that's all you need to wash. So, hope this healthy cooking hack helps you out a lot in the kitchen. An Immersion Blender, it's some gotta-have cooking gear.